In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom meal you made to a client in Trainerize 2025. By the end, you'll confidently take a meal you've already built and place it into a client's plan, fine-tune portions, and deliver it at the right time in the app. Start on the web version of Trainerize for the smoothest experience. After you log in, head to the left-hand menu and select Nutrition, then choose Meals. Before you do anything with a client, make sure the custom meal you want to use is already saved under My Meals. If it isn't there, get it set up first so you can pull it in easily later. Next, open the client you're working with. Click Clients in the left menu, select the client's name, and enter their client dashboard. This is where you'll manage everything related to their program. Inside the client's profile, go to the Nutrition tab. Here you can choose Meal Plan or Custom Meal Plan based on how you like to structure your plans. Either option will let you place your custom meal into a specific slot like breakfast, lunch, or snacks. Now decide whether you're adding to something that already exists or building new. If you're editing an existing plan, click Edit Meal Plan and you'll see the meal slots laid out. If you're creating from scratch, click Create Meal Plan, then pick Build from Scratch for full control or use Template to speed things up. With the meal plan editor open, click Add Meal on the exact slot you want to fill. Choose My Meals to access your saved creations. Then search or scroll to find the custom meal you previously built. Select it and click Add to Plan. This keeps your saved recipe intact and places it in the right spot without having to rebuild it. Once the meal is placed, adjust it to fit the client's goals. You can increase or decrease the serving size, edit the macros if needed, and modify ingredients. Keep an eye on the total calories and macro targets for the day so everything lines up. Small tweaks like portion changes or ingredient swaps can make a big difference in adherence and results. When everything looks good, save your work. Click Save Meal Plan or Assign Meal Plan and confirm the start date so the client receives it exactly when you intend. Finally, deliver the plan. You can publish and notify the client, schedule it to go live later, or assign it to their calendar. Your client will see the custom meal, full ingredients, calorie and macro breakdown, and portion sizes right inside the Trainerize app under Meals or Today, Nutrition. And that's it. You've added your custom meal to your client's plan.